I'm gonna get ready to style it. And I know it's been a minute since I did another video, but we're back. So this is gonna be me styling my natural hair in a get ready with me. So y'all tune in today. Alright, first you need y'all little spray bottle. You gotta let this hair hang. I should have got my blow dryer too, so that I can stretch my hair for when it's time. And no, I'm not combing it rough, it just seems like it. I'm really gentle on my hair. Others are not gentle on my hair, and I don't like that. Everybody don't be gentle on my hair. So I don't let people snap my natural hair at all. It's really like gentle enough for me. But don't mind the little stuff on my bed. That's just like my clothes that I'm gonna wear today, and also it's just my covering. So yeah. Yeah, I've been being real consistent with like posting on like YouTube shorts and also Instagram reels and on TikTok. So I'm really proud of that. I just gotta get into the habit of posting on regular YouTube video. Oh, my light died. On regular YouTube videos. We'll be in the game, baby. Oh, I do not like how my light just died. I need it for today at the little event. But you know, let's get into it. First of all, this looks like a pre-wash for the ones that don't know. It's the best. Right? Magic. Love it. I love what it does to my hair. I really do. Don't make it heavy. None of that. I need to stretch the hair. I didn't put much water on it, so I have to do so much. hair because I like my hair super wet, so to have like that, you know, you just got a little wash. This is what I do. I think I might do it all over. Slowly but surely. I'm not doing it too because the stuff I had in my hair. I'm doing it though. My hair trying to embarrass me today. My hair don't never act like this. Wish I had that other spray bottle, but it freaking broke. So mad about that. So mad. You know what? Another reason why it's acting like that, I forgot I had that styling cream on there. That beeswax for when you want to do like twist and all that. That's why. I'm like, why is my hair acting like this? But I see why. Trying to embarrass me. Cause baby, she's still in that state. Like, you got your little twist out. But it's okay. Every time you do, you know, natural hair don't always come out how you want it to be, and it's fine. It's totally fine. It's gonna be days like that, but we get through them. Today I don't have time to be mad and crying by my hair. I just don't, and I'm not gonna let this ruin my day. Because today is all about my little cousin. She graduated yesterday, and today we are attending her graduation party. And I have to make sure that I attend this function with a positive mindset and a good attitude, you know. So this is just a little, it's not the end of the world. Got better things to focus on, you know. But I think it's gonna be good. What's up, G-Way? In the cut with my twin, we be vibing classics, and you know we be outside with it. I think I'm on yeah, I'm putting on some lashes. If I know my darn hair, I mean not hair, Lord, lash glue out. I ain't gonna lie though, I used to use hair glue. I think we all do it, or do still. Anyway, I'm gonna go find it because I know it's gonna take a minute. So I'm gonna go find the lash glue. Then I'm gonna get back to y'all. We're back. Yeah, I cut a little bit of the hair in the front, like the little rear stringy parts. I cut it off like downwards, not across, so I can still give it that actual look. And yeah, like I said, I'm really not too much feeling it because like I stated earlier, I put beeswax on my hair from when I was doing like my little twist, and really I should have washed the hair and then, you know, applied the stuff, but it's fine. Hold on. I don't know how to feel about this. All of these are the same size. I thought it would be different, but I just brought my smaller mirror. So it's gonna be like a natural look. Y'all know I like extraness. But I guess with this hairstyle, it will go. The natural look will go. It's okay. Fine, that's fine. I need, you know what? Let me use this. Oh, it's dirty. I need to clean this. This is my jewelry box. Need to be cleaned though. Let me see. It's directly on my eyelash though. So I mean I have to put the other one directly on my eyelash. Oh, silly me. But you have like some lip gloss on and stuff. Okay. Cute, right? I know. These are cute. It gives it like a natural look. And I'm feeling it. Yeah, I'm feeling this. Yes, yeah. I'm gonna make sure I take the eyelash glue with me though, honey, cause. Okay, so let's put on our outfit, and I'm gonna get back to y'all. Okay, y'all. So I'm big. This is the fit. I'm wearing these shorts and this little shirt. Hold on, let me fix my necklace. Look at this hair. I think I might bobby pin it. And then pin this back a little bit. What y'all think? Alright, so y'all, hold on. These was the shorts I was originally wearing with the outfit. The reason why I didn't pick these shorts is because I wanted like a brown belt. When I first received these shorts, they was a little big. Okay, I lost weight. They somewhat fit, but not around the waist. So I'm like, okay, a brown belt, you know, like one of those little skinny brown belts. I'm like, okay, that would be cute. Don't have one. So I went to ask my aunt. She doesn't have one either. I was really hoping to wear these shorts in this outfit. But it's fine. I ended up finding this, which came out really, really cute. I'm thinking about Probably wearing like some clear slides with them. I wish I had some white slides. I did, but I ended up throwing them away because I broke them. So, but yeah, girl, this is the finished look. I might try to play around with my hair a little bit because, like I said, I'm still not feeling it at all. So I'm probably gonna play around with it a little bit, whatever, and see what I can do. I wish I had a hair pick, but I broke that. Y'all, thanks for tuning in. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I will try to be consistent more with making more videos and posting more. I have been posting a lot on YouTube Shorts though, and I have been posting a lot on Instagram and also TikTok. And y'all can follow the other social medias as far as Instagram at its.miadadolll with 3 L's and an underscore, and TikTok at its.miadadolll with 3 L's and an underscore. So yeah, thanks for tuning in. Until next time, bye.